Welcome back to Saving Mamacita. So glad you guys could join me here today. For those of you who are not new, welcome back. For those of you who are new, I welcome you. I hope you stick around and check out my other unboxings and try on hauls and product reviews, because that is primarily what we do here at Saving Mamacita. Today is going to be fun because I have not just one, not just two, but 3 Vellaboxes to unbox. If you guys are looking for a candle subscription box, oh my goodness, Vellabox is, as of right now, my favorite candle subscription box out there. It starts out at just $12 a month, and let me just look here. I think you have to pay shipping if you are outside of the US. If you do live in the US, you do get free shipping, which is super cool. Their website is super cool and fun to maneuver through. Go to Vellabox.com, set up your profile, set up your preferences. You go through a whole series of questions to kind of give them a feel of what kind of scents you enjoy. Where are you gonna put your candle? Are you gonna put it in your bathroom? Are you gonna put it in your bedroom? Those are all different things that they take into consideration. For me, I personally love candles in my bathroom. I love them in my entryway of my home. I love the sweet scents. Those are my favorite. So I've got 1, 2, 3 boxes. We're gonna go ahead and unbox them right now, and then we will do a quick rate that box. I have to say, Vellabox has been consistent every single month that I have had them. They're always so nicely packaged. I've never had a box, knock on the wood, break or come broken in these boxes. And I've been having this subscription box for quite some time now. So very impressed with how they package their boxes, how they present their boxes. This one is a box inside of a box. You can see it says Vellabox on the top. On the outside, it says recycle after use. All of the products in here are good products. Like, they are healthy products. They're not going to contaminate or bad for the environment. That is kind of what they do, is they look for the packaging that's going to be reusable. So keep that in mind. When you open up the box, every box is going to have a fun little quote like that. This one says, "The sea, once it casts its spell, holds one in its nets of wonder forever." Jacques Cousteau. And then it has a fun little playlist on there that you can check out. It's the Beach Days playlist, only on Spotify. So if you look inside here, here's what it looks like. It has the candle in a cute little canvas bag, which is in fact reusable. I love these cinch bags. They are so cute and so eco-friendly. Inside the box, they also have a little card that gives some information about the candle inside the box, as well as a free product that they collaborate with a certain brand, and you get a free sample size product or a different type of product to try out. So kind of fun that way too. I should mention that they do come in various sizes. So this particular box is the Vivier box. So it is the largest candle that you can get. This candle of the month is called Beach Cottage. Love this bag, and the jar itself is very simple, very minimalist. Love that. You don't need anything fancy in my book when it comes to packaging candles. It's what's inside that counts, because that is what you're lighting. So this one is called Beach Cottage. It includes the notes aqua lotus, coconut water, and jasmine petals. Oh yes, that smells super good. And this is the size. I don't know if you can see it. It's fresh plus sweet and spice, which it smells super good. Green apple is what I smell for sure. Coconut water, jasmine petals. So the sound of crashing waves provides a soothing natural sound machine as you sleep. Wake up to the smell of salty air and a direct view of the ocean. Just a few sandy steps away and you've got the spot for the perfect beach day. This would be a perfect candle for your bathroom. It smells very fresh. I love that. It smells super good. Then on your card here, it has a little scan code where you can go ahead and use your phone and scan and repurchase the candle if you love it. The free item in this box is the Dewdrops Mushroom Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin C Serum. If you need a boost of hydration, this is the serum for you. Winner of Best Serum for Dry Skin in the Self Magazine 2021 Healthy Beauty Awards. There's what it looks like, just a fun little serum you can try. That is that box, you guys. I love it. They are so consistent with their packaging. As you can see, it's a big jar. This is gonna last, I wanna say 72 hours, 70 some hours. They last you a long time. In fact, I still have one here in my bedroom that I use as well. It's the Hide Nor Hair Vegan Soy Candle White Tea. I've got candles all over the place, but this one is probably in my top 3 for sure. Love that. Okay, let's open the next one. Number 2. You know, as I mentioned, they come in different sizes, which means different prices. So depending on your budget, depending on, you know, how often you want to get these candles, if you burn them a lot, that'll kind of determine which subscription to get. Again, here we go. Opening it up. Look at that. So this one says, I may not have gone where I intended to go, but I think I've ended up where I intended to be. Douglas Adams. So this one also has a Spotify road trip tunes playlist for you to check out. Again, here we go. We've got the canvas bag. This one is super cute. I love these little bags because you can reuse them. You can store things in them. You can use them for gifts, to put gifts in, whatever you want to do with those bags. They're reusable, so it makes it really nice that way. And I love their informational cards because they do give information about the company that they teamed up with, their feature maker, Night Shift Wax Company, out of St. Petersburg, Florida. The other one was Living Albright, and that was featuring founders Riley and Kate out of livingalbright.com, Mesa, Arizona. So I love that they keep it in the United States. I love buying USA made products and supporting small businesses, so super fun. Night Shift Wax Company, this is Golden Teakwood. Sea salt, cedar, leather, and bergamot. 16-ounce candle. I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of that. Cedar, not so much. Leather and bergamot. It smells masculine to me. So it might be a good one for somebody who enjoys those masculine scents, those stronger scents. But I have a feeling when you light it, it's not going to be as strong, maybe. So Golden Teakwood, it says it's citrus. The divine home scent calls for sun-soaked beach days and summer fun. Feel that golden hour glow peeking through the trees and the light warm breeze. This is the best time of year. It is cool. I love the jar. I love the darker jar. The beach cottage has my heart so far. Then they've got some little freebies here. These are car fresheners. $16 value from Saguaro Cactus Car Freshener. Take your favorite BT scent on the road with you wherever you go. Great for hanging on the rearview mirror and in other small spaces. Spicy floral creation made of cactus, jade flower, agave, moss, and aloe. I love the little cactus on them. That's cute. All right, let's open that up. Take a look. Take a whiff. It's okay. Not real big on that scent, but I can always give it as a gift or part of a giveaway, that kind of thing. Very fresh, not too bad. So that was the second box. Let's get on to the third box. As you can see, the first two boxes were very consistent as far as their packaging goes, presentation, cute little description cards, nice little freebies inside as well. Here's the third box. That bag is cute. The More Grateful I Am, the More Beauty I See by Mary Davis. Listen to our Grateful Moments playlist on Spotify. Okay, so here's the bag here, canvas bag. I love that one. I don't think I've ever gotten a floral one from them before, so this is cute. Super cute. So candle of the month is called Dream. It's herbal plus sweet and spice, lavender, cedarwood, and vanilla. In this dream, we won't want you to wait. Close your eyes and let the scent take you to your happy place. We're seeing lavender fields aplenty and the beauty of spring all around. Okay, let's open up this one. It's a lighter jar. It's called Dream. It's got the lid. It's just like a basic jar. That's pretty good. So lavender, cedarwood, vanilla, hand-poured soy wax. Sincerely, Sarah Jane. That is what that jar looks like. Love that. Oh, it smells so, so good. And then the freebie inside this one is called, oh, it's like a little notepad. It says, don't forget. I need that in my life because I forget a lot. So don't forget memo pad. We had so much fun creating this notepad with Joy Creative Shop to match this Vellabox theme. Everyone can use a cute visual reminder to get them through the day. Whether that is to pick up milk at the grocery store or to slay all day, we're here for it. Cute little addition to this box. So that concludes the unboxing of these 3 Vellaboxes. What did you guys think? What was your favorite box that I unboxed? Which scent would you prefer? The Dream, the Beach Cottage, or the Golden Teakwood? I can tell you right now which one I prefer. You guys know, right? Yes, the Beach Cottage was the bomb.com. Favorite bag was definitely this one though. I love the flowers on that one. That concludes the unboxings. What do you guys think? Let's go ahead and rate the box. I am actually going to rate based on all of the boxes. So you guys all know that when I try the scents, I never know what I'm going to get exactly because they base it off my preferences. So it's kind of hard to know for sure, but that's the beauty of this type of subscription box. I love candles and I love trying new scents, being introduced to new combinations and that kind of thing. Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. So when we rate the box, we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box, the quality of the items in the box, the variety of the items in the box, and the price point of the subscription box. I love the price point of this box simply because it ranges anywhere from $12 to $30, depending on the size of the candle that you want, the commitment length, time length to this particular subscription box, as well as, okay, so when we rate the box, we rate based on these factors: the presentation of the box, the way that they package the box, the description of the items in the box, as well as the variety, the quality, and the price point of the items in the box. I have nothing bad to say about Vellabox, nothing bad. You know, I know that I'm not going to love every single scent in this box, and that is simply because, well, I don't love every scent. I love trying new scents, and that's the beauty of subscription boxes. So sometimes you get something sometimes you get something you absolutely love and you will buy over and over and over again. So Vellabox, you nailed it. As always, presentation is the bomb.com. Love the canvas bags, love the eco-friendly, all of those things. So I'm gonna go ahead and rate this unboxing 2 out of the 3 candles, yes. Presentation of all of everything was consistent. Quality, consistent. So we're gonna go ahead and rate the box a 8. Vellabox, you rock. You did it again. I freaking love you. If you guys are interested in checking out Vellabox for yourself, please check them out in my description area. I will include all of the items in my boxes for you to check out. You can check them out on their website for yourself. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.